Have you ever dreamed of living in a world where robots help people, just like in the movies? Well, that future is already starting to happen. And leading the way is a humanoid robot named LimX Oli, a friendly, helpful machine designed to work with us, not replace us. Unlike the cold, metal factory robots we're used to seeing, LimX Oli looks and moves more like a person. It has a head, arms, legs, even a digital face that can smile, look surprised, or show other simple emotions. And these human-like features aren't just for fun. They actually help people feel more comfortable when talking to or working with it. Most robots today work in warehouses or assembly lines, moving boxes or building cars. But LimX Oli is made for face-to-face interaction. That means you might see it in offices, schools, hospitals, or even your local mall. Imagine walking into a hospital and being greeted by Oli at the entrance. It could help you find the right department, tell you the wait time, or even check your temperature, freeing up doctors and nurses to focus on patient care. In schools, Oli can help kids learn, speaking clearly, showing videos, or playing educational games. And in offices, it can guide visitors, answer questions, or remind you about your next meeting. The best part, you don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Oli understands basic speech, recognizes faces, and even remembers people it has met before. It learns from its surroundings, so the more you interact with it, the better it gets. It's also connected to the internet, which means it can look up information, give you weather updates, or even crack a joke. Some people worry about robots moving around close to humans. But Oli has special sensors to detect people, furniture, and walls. It knows when to stop, slow down, or move around obstacles, quietly and smoothly so it never startles you. And here's something charming. It can wave, point, or clap. Small gestures that make it feel alive, relatable, and friendly. Oli can fit into almost any environment. In airports, it can guide travelers. In malls, it can answer customer questions. In elderly care homes, it can remind residents to take their medicine. In restaurants, it might take orders or even help carry food. The early tests in real-world locations have been a success. People feel more comfortable around a robot that looks and acts friendly. Right now, LimX Oli is still a little pricey for home use. But in the future, it could be your personal helper, reminding you about appointments, cleaning up, or keeping elderly family members company. It can talk, play music, tell stories, and even call for help if something's wrong. It's powered by smart cameras, AI, smooth motors, and cloud computing, meaning it's always learning and updating. Sure, it's not perfect yet. It might take a second to understand you, and it's not as fast or flexible as a human. But every new version is getting better. Robots like LimX Oli are proof that machines don't have to be cold or scary. They can be helpful, kind, and even fun, freeing humans to focus on creativity, care, and connection. If you enjoyed this look at LimX Oli, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and drop a comment with your thoughts about having a robot helper in your daily life. And of course, subscribe for more amazing tech stories. The future is coming fast, and it might just greet you with a smile.